My YouTube channel. My name is Maj and you're watching my YouTube channel DoMore Review. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best website. This name is iCYStar.ru. Today we are exploring the world premium footwear. If you are trying to certify quality and breaking the budget for legit sneakers, we are in the treat. Back out because we are about to discuss iCYStar.ru, the unlimited sticker destinations. So what is iCYStar.ru? Well, my friend, something amazing is happiness. Is their sneaker factory? Imagine shoes made from the same material as the original. You don't have to lose quality and style. Now let's discuss about quality control. iCYStar.ru take honesty seriously. Their factory guarantee that each seam and detail is original. There no worrying if you are getting a knockoff. These sneakers are real. Furthermore, they provide happiness guarantee because happy, great feet, great happy customers. Test rating now. iCYStar.ru mentions sneaker culture. They go to cover with limited edition drop and special collaborations. Further, you want top Gucci, Nike, Air Jordan, Low, Air Jordan, High, any sneaker. This is where to imagine happiness. Their website is very easy navigation, sleek design, and user-friendly interface. Guess what? Our viewers receive special discount. Use coupon code DMR is checkout of get $15 purchase discount. Yeah, welcome. But there's some connect with iCYStar.ru your social media. Follow them on Instagram and for sleek pics, giveaways, and fashion impression. Trust me, their feed is on fire. This time, I am show you how you can buy the product from iCYStar.ru. Link in my video description. Go and check it out. And remember, wear full nut. Next time, please keep fresh, authentic, and keep doing more. Thanks for watching my video. If you are enjoying this video, please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press this bell icon and share to all friends. Always be ready and keep doing more. See you next time. Thanks for watching.